Most crooked strokes begin before the cue ever moves. Today, I'll show you how to align your eyes, arm, and stance to build a laser-straight pool stroke completely on your own. So let's get started.
Here's something that's going to be real shocking to a lot of players. Watch what happens when I step too close to the shot line with my lead foot, my front foot, and I come into the shot line. Look at how my cue is not aligned with the shot line on the table. But when I move my foot outward, look how the cue gravitates right over the line. I move it inward, you see how it's off. I found this in someone that I've been working with, and they do this. When they step into the shot, they were always offline, even though they thought they were straight.
So let me show you a better angle of my foot placement. Notice here how I step too close to the shot line, and this veers my cue, being a right-hander, to the left. So when I discovered this with a player I was working with, I had them place their foot further away from the shot line as shown here. And here's why this straightens out the shaft. When our front foot is away from the shot line, it allows us to have clearance for the shaft of our cue and our grip hand. I've highlighted my shaft with a white line here, and notice how the white line is directly over the shot line indicated with tape on the floor. So now let's take a look at what happens when we crowd the shot line. When our front foot is too close to the shot line, we pivot on our bridge hand, thus moving our grip hand further away from the shot line, which pivots the cue to our left. Now let's take a look at how I step into my shot line. I want you to notice that my front foot is placed about 12 inches away from the shot line tape on the floor. This not only creates a rock-solid stance, it provides the needed clearance for my grip hand and cue so it doesn't interfere with my body. Look closely as I shoot this shot and you'll see I have plenty of clearance for my grip hand and stroke. And as a result, this allows me to push my cue straight down the shot line. Now that we have our stance figured out, let's cover one of the most critical parts of developing a laser-straight pool stroke, and that is stepping down into the shot with our vision center. And if you don't know where your vision center truly is, I'll include a video within the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment so you can find yours. My vision center is to the right bridge of my nose. Vision center needs to be right down the shot line. The beauty of using a mirror is you can get direct feedback because you're looking dead down the shot line. Thus, the mirror allows you to confirm your vision center is in the right place. Let me quickly talk about cupping my wrist. Some of you longtime subscribers probably already know that I had a severe break in this wrist playing football as a teenager. Because of this, my wrist feels better when it's cupped just slightly instead of hanging straight down like it probably should be. Now that we've covered stance and vision center and stepping into the shot line, let's cover stroke arm and grip hand position. Ideally, you want your head and vision center along with your upper arm and elbow all the way down to your grip hand directly down the shot line. And here I can see my head position or vision center as well as my shoulder, upper arm, elbow, and grip hand are all right down the shot line. So if you're one of those players that's trying to work on your own developing a great pool stroke, a mirror is a great aid in helping you get there. You'll be able to develop a great stance and establish your vision center so it's down the shot line, and be able to correct your arm tip as shown here. And once you've created your fundamentally sound stroke, it's time to dial everything in and ingrain everything into muscle memory. My suggestion is to shoot the Mighty X drill. Shoot the follow, stop shot, and draw shot to ingrain change in what you've just accomplished. And if you'd like to improve your shot making consistency by improving your stroke transition, watch this video right here. And like I always say, keep on practicing.